Welcome everyone to my channel. Today we are going to make a healthy masala oats. For that recipe we need oats, which is normal rolled oats around 150 grams, and along with this oats we require freshly chopped onion, chopped tomato, chopped green chili, chopped ginger, thinly sliced shallots, few curry leaf, and with this we need some patience and some green chili to make this wonderful recipe. This curry leaf is just julienne, so it gives nice appeal. Now in a kadai or in a pan we add around 2 to 3 spoons of olive oil. Wait for the oil to get warm. Next we will add some cumin seeds. So when the temperature gradually increases, the cumin seeds will crackle. This stage you will add the chopped onion. I have taken around 1 whole onion and curry leaf and 4 to 5 shallots. So gradually you add all the ingredients one by one. Then you saute for few minutes. After sweating the onion, you can add your chopped ginger. Ginger especially gives a fantastic taste in this dish. Green chili, and saute for few seconds. At this stage we will add the required salt. I am using low sodium salt, which is very healthy, and at the same time it enhances the flavor. After sauteing for few seconds, you can see the onions are translucent. Add turmeric powder around half teaspoon and saute nicely. Immediately you add the chopped tomato. We don't want the turmeric to discolor, so we need the bright yellow color. So you add the tomato, and gradually we will add some water to make a concoction out of it. And now you can close it with the lid and cook it for few minutes in a slow flame. After few minutes the water is all evaporated and it became a nice masala. At this stage we will gradually add our spice powders like chili. In this case I am using Kashmiri red chili. After few seconds you can add your oats. So normally we use rolled oats, and you mix it nicely. Make sure the oats and all the masalas are evenly coated. Then you can add remaining salt as per your taste and mix gradually. At this stage I have taken water. So for 1 cup of oats you need 2 cups of water. Okay, so that is the ratio. So here for my 2 cups of oats I am using 4 cups of water, and you mix nicely. At this stage you can check the salt seasoning level by tasting the water. Remember, the water should taste little salty. Then only when the oats are cooked you will get a perfect seasoning, flavor and taste. Okay, gradually mix it nicely, and you can close it with the lid and wait for exactly 4 minutes. And when you open, the water will be absorbed by the oats, and the oats will be fluffy and creamy, because the oats is a very good alternative for healthy breakfast. When you have this masala oats during the breakfast time, you can add other vegetables like fresh green peas. In this case I use fresh frozen green peas, which I have taken and I blanched in hot water with some salt, and I add this ready to eat serve green peas as a garnish and fresh chili. So this oats will help you boost your immunity and full appetite for the morning breakfast time. So the whole day you feel full and energetic. So this oats, if you like, please subscribe to our channel for more culinary recipes and always enjoy cooking. Thank you for watching.